Hello guys, this is Midai Sefeli, Jimo, the team leader of Plan B Express. You're welcome. Hello guys, this is Midai Sefeli, Jimo, the team leader of Plan B Express. You're welcome. Hello guys, this is Midai Sefeli. Now I'm taking you right on these platforms and how to achieve financial freedom, 5 years to financial freedom, and $1 per minute strategy. How do you arrive at that? But I quickly need to address certain things and for us to have the right mindset. And the mindset is this. Number one, you got to be personal in your crypto journey. Number two, you have to be intentional in your crypto journey. Number three, you have to owe no one apology in your crypto journey. Now, having gotten all these three templates very, very addictively, then you can move on. Now, moving on, it entails you to pay attention to learning. Now, I like us to know cryptocurrency is still like a perceptions and kind of might believe. That's why things that move around cryptocurrency or that push things around cryptocurrency are more of community, hypes, informations, and perceptions. So a good number of people felt that cryptocurrency is a scam, it's a gamble. No, because it has actually not gotten to the point of reality to the core. And so take few people who are crazy, in believing some cleverness to be able to take advantage of cryptocurrency. Now, we have dimension of opportunity we share with people, and then we always love them to pay up attention to learning and being able to get the best out of crypto space. Cryptocurrency is huge, is big, is beyond what we think. Now, a good number of people have called to me and asked me questions about cryptocurrency. How do I think cryptocurrency was going to be well and big for people to make money? Now, you can make money in crypto, but you may find it difficult to make fortune because at one point in time, you'll be afraid of taking a step ahead, especially when people begin to talk so much nasty thing about cryptocurrency close to you. And then you tell yourself, I don't think cryptocurrency is worth me taking advantage of. Now, I'm just checking so many things today. What's the update about the federal, the FOMEC update? Now, ladies and gentlemen, cryptocurrency is still at its infant stage. The infant stage of the cryptocurrency is what makes some crazy type of money to be available in cryptocurrency. I'm not permitted, this is not my content, but I just want to see. Today, it's 2nd of November 2022. So let's see what the Prophet Conference have to offer. Do they have? Are they done? Okay, the meeting is to be okay, 2:30 p.m. ETC. Okay, I'm going to be live that time to watch what's going to be happening as much as possible on this. But so nevertheless, that's not what we're looking for. So what I'm looking for is very simple, and it's to tell you and to share with you that the space of the crypto, it's beyond just one person's imaginations. Now it's big, it's huge, but it's tempting. So permit me to show you around some of the opportunity we share with people and how to leverage on building your financial portfolio and making your, helping yourself to be financially free in 5 years period. Okay, now I'm going to start sharing my page. So let's go. So I'm going to be in this meeting. Let's look at when this meeting is going to be live. That should be tonight, 2:30 ETC. Let me check to Nigerian time. 2:30 ETC Nigerian time. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's 7:30 p.m. tonight. So I'm going to be checking this. If you're connected to me, you can check the FOMEC meeting tonight at 7:30 p.m. Nigerian time. You can check the time compared to your own time. Federal Reserve, you can follow on Twitter. Okay. Hashtag Federal Reserve. Just come in, go here. Okay, Federal Reserve FOMEC. Okay, Federal Reserve, and let's check FOMEC. So that will be live. So FOMEC will be live by 7:30 Nigerian PM. 7:30 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, 7:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So I'm going to be live. I'm going to be watching live to see what's going to happen. And then if we're going to have some move on, and there have been prediction of the price, the interest rate to be increased by 0.75%. And so if it does, then we're looking at what could happen to the price of Bitcoin. And now, if you cannot go well in the crypto space without understanding certain politics in the crypto space. So that's where we pay rapt attention to the politics and the fundamentals in the crypto space. All right, the fundamentals from the government, from the capitalist view, and then from some form of policies from the government, generally speaking, and then the monetary system. Okay. Now, what we are saying is this: you have opportunity to leverage in building wealth. Why many things happening in the crypto space. Many of my friends had called me and invited me to tell me that, are you sure? Excuse me. Are you sure we can go far in the crypto? Because the market's going to be terrible as it more. I tell people, you must learn to go beyond just the pricing or the movement in the market, and to understand the price movement. And so you'll be able to leverage, to know when to cash in and when to leverage in the best, and when to take advantage of the market, just not panicking on the market. So cryptocurrency, as it were, or the financial market, as it were, generally speaking, it's not a place where interests are not at play. You need to understand that. It's a place where so many interests are at play, and then people have specific interest in or covering and maintaining their ground and not being taken off from the space. My friends have asked me about my intention and what actually do I want to do if the crypto market comes down or crashes. I said, well, you need to understand one thing. A phenomenon may have situations of attack over time, but if you're consistent and actually persevere with an understanding, you can arrive at something big. So give and take, the crypto space is loaded with a lot of funny things. And that's why we always beg people to pay rapt attention in learning. So how do I achieve financial freedom in 5 years? But basically, you now boil down those things into breaking down of activities on a daily basis. I'm going to open up something here. Okay, this is a virtual land. We bought land. Okay, let me quickly take you. This is Plan B Express $1 per minute strategy. So our goal is 5 years to financial freedom via digital asset accumulation. While working towards that, we target achieving $1 per minute, $60 per hour, $1,040 per day, $10,080 per week, and then for $3,200 per month. And of course, to achieve $518,000 in a year. Then working towards this, we have to, but we said, remember, okay, that in doing these possible 5 major activities, which are personal trading, staking project, affiliate system, timely investing, and opportunity coins buying. Now, note that all of these are not magical, but must be worked out by but under our guide. Okay, so worked out but under our guide. Also remember that it is our culture to always buy and keep coins from any platform we may have invested into. So in order to maximize any pump that could arise as a result of community sentiment and company hypes. Above all, every participant must be personally involved, as we do not invest on behalf of our clients to avoid chances of cheating and fraud. Rather, we promote openness, transparency, and fair play. So our watchword is integrity. So these are the things you do. Number one is personal trading and portfolio tools. Now, we expect people to, first of all, take their personal trading very seriously. And now, when we talk about personal trading, it's not just about scalping. It's all about understanding the types of trading and pattern of trading you want to adopt. Of course, like myself, I preferred just to hold and swing coin rather than scalping coins. Now, because I've discovered that you waste more strength and energy to scalp coin, but there are a good number of people who have not good time to scalp coins, so they can scalp and all of that. But this is what I prefer. Let me show you something. These are the type of things I preferred. Let's look at projects. Now, like this project, this is CoinGecko. I'm going to show you the project. Okay, like this project, look at Midas. We got involved in this project in 2019, and perhaps one aspect of thing we do with Midas, and if you look at it here, sorry. So I have a lot of training materials. Good. Can go down. Can go down. Can go down. Can go down. Okay. Good. So this is this. Now, remember we said personal trading, first of all, and staking. And if you look at Midas, happen to be a staking project. Now, we got involved in this coin in the December, no, the month of the year 2019. Yeah, 2019 was one we get involved in Midas token. Now, we participated in this token on 2 dimensions. Okay, let me quickly go here. Okay, so here is this Midas token. Can refresh this. So this token, we bought into it as a rumor project. So we bought into it as a rumor project at 35 cents. No, 23 cents. I personally bought it at 23 cents. Okay, there we go. Invariably, 23 cents. So let's look at how much $500 give to us. Divide by 0.23. So give and take, that gave us about 2,173. Now, that was locked for each year to accrue 30%. For the first 2 years was accruing to 30%. So invariably, so multiply by 0.3, that means yearly, we're getting 652 coins every year. So for the first 2 years, so multiply by 2 years, that gave us 1,304 pieces of the coin. Now, this is the point. We're not interested in bringing this money out. That's why we diversified. So our focus was that, how do we build volume of this token? Then we have aspect of this token that we're talking about, right? We have aspect of this token that we're talking about burnout, and we can earn some affiliate commission by sharing with people. So we do that. Now, imagine then after the first 2019, 2020, 2021, were 30%. So for 3 years, So plus 652. So plus 652. 652. So that means in 3 years, we've gathered 1,954. Okay, so that continues. Now, why the bulk is there? 2,173 tokens. Now, this is the point. Now, look at what really happened. This is what really happened. $500 divided by 0.23. Let's look at it. That gave us 2,173. The first 1 year, let's pretend to be, so let's go by this compound. So 30%, so compound interest calculator. Okay, now this is what really happened. Compound interest calculator, this is what really happened. This is the Midas, 2,173 tokens. And so yearly was 30%. So but now it was paid on daily basis. So it take off this. Now we're going to do this. 30% divided by 365 days. That's 0.08. Excuse me. Yeah, that's 0.0822%. Okay, 0.0822. So on daily basis. Now, every day it earns that, it compounds, okay? It compounds. So for 3 years, it does that. For 3 years, so 3 years. And it compounds on daily basis. It's a compound interest on daily basis. Okay? So it compounds on daily basis. So let's calculate. So now, after 3 years, what was accumulated? The accrual, which was the interest, was 3,170 pieces of Midas token. Remember, this was 2,173, but it was compounding, and it eventually now arrived at 34. So the first 3 years, additional token, and this was 5,343 token. Now, the next year, right? The last year, not this year, 2020, it was now 27%. So let's take off this. 5,343. So let's go by this. 5,343. 5,343. And then for 1 year, now that's now reduced, not up to this percent. It was now 27%. So let's quickly do that. 27% divided by 365 days. So that gives 0.074%. So 0.074%. 0.0, is it 0.0 or 0.00? Come on, am I crazy? Let's look at it. Yeah, something like that. 27 divided by 365. Oh, so 0.07. 0.07, yeah. 4, so let's arrive at that. Let's summarize. 4 daily basis for 1 year, that's 12 calendar month, and then on daily basis compound interest, because I told you that's what Midas does. Now, after 1 year, there was additional. So by January next year, the total expected volume of the Midas will be 6,999. Now, at the end of the day, it still arrived at 30% because it was compound. Now, from 2019, 2020, 2020, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2020, or let's say 2019, 2021, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2021, 2022, and next year, 2023, will be 5 years. That is 5 years to financial freedom via digital asset accumulation. So let's look. How much is the price of 1 Midas right now? We have 6,999. So now, how much is the price of 1 Midas? $40. So let's go. 6,999. 6,999. 6,999. Excuse me. So let's look at it. 6,999. That will have been 283,599. That's just $500. Now, because of compound interest, now what was given that year ago was 2,173. Now that volume will have been 88,000 right now. But I don't think I don't know what type of investment you will have done that will have given you that 88,000 after 4 years. So if you divide 88,000 divided by 4 years, all right, 88,000. Let's just say 88,000 divided by 4, all right, that gives you 22,000 per year. Now, 22,000 per year divided by 12 months, that will give $1,833. Now, divide by 30 days, that will give $61 per day. Now, with the prevailing rate of Nigerian currency, 854 naira, that will have been 52,188 naira every day. Now, this is why crypto it looks foolish. And if you are too smart, if you are too intelligent, if you have too much knowledge, you will not benefit from cryptocurrency. So you can see why we say crypto is a place where the active make money for the passive. All right? It's a place where the active make money for the passive and the patient. So you have to just know what you're looking for. That's why we derived our culture in Plan B of 5 years to financial freedom via digital asset accumulation. Good number of people have told me some crazy things about the crypto. And then this coin, we bought it very cheap sometime. It went up very high and came down again. So if you have enough money, why not? You can buy and stake it on the staking platform. Am I convincing you to buy? No, I'm just sharing. That is friendly advice. If you have the urge to buy, why not? You can just buy some of them and stake it. Okay, so I'm going quickly to how you go about this opportunity. So we trade, and that's why I have different exchange platform I use, but I just make this. Now, after this training, you want to have access to this PDF, you can chat with me. Then if you're on our platform, on all our WhatsApp or Telegram, the content of these on our Telegram, the content of this PDF had been installed there, so you can see. All right. Then you have Binance, you have Gate.io, you have SuperX, you have KuCoin, you have BitGets. These are trading exchange platform. Then you need to have a TradingView, and TradingView is simply just to help you. We said this is a tool to help you analyze global market, both stock, FX indexes, derivatives, crypto. It's a free platform unless you're a pro or a real advanced trader. So you can go to CoinGecko, and then you can just go to your platform. Okay, so I use TradingView. So you can use TradingView to check the market, to understand the direction of the market. Of course, you need to learn. You can see so many charts I've drawn here, just confusing, right? But of course, by the time you get used to it, you will know that it's not actually confusing. It's rather helped you to know where to place your leg and know where to know what to do. But this is just one aspect of the crypto, which is the technical analysis. So we have the fundamental, we have the sentimental, but the tool is free. So if you have access to the our Telegram forum, then of course you can have access to this PDF. So you can have the link, and then you can. Lunar Crush is another platform. We say this is a research platform that has a lot of information to help your crypto career and also suggest coin to buy and all of that. If I go to Lunar Crush now, this is Lunar Crush. Yeah, what's Lunar Crush? Yeah, this is Lunar Crush. So you can buy the token. The token is already on Gate.io. So I have a lot of the token on Gate.io, and then have some of the tokens stake. Now, if you go to Lunar Crush, of course, you need to learn how to use it so that you will not get yourself confused. All right. Then if I go to Lunar Crush now, I can go to messages and then look at today's your earning. No, your daily earning 14 hours to Lunar. No, I'm looking at your daily earning. Oh, no trading call. The weekly activities reward. Congratulations, your outstanding weekly participation on Lunar Cross NU additional 21. My goodness, I'm just earning this coin irrationally, okay, 4 days ago. So no review on the coin to buy. Wow. So you see them, you can mention coins to buy for you, Theta, and these are just additional tools, okay? So meanwhile, you can see, oh, congrats. Your participation yesterday on Lunar Cross NU 0. This, my God. So that's how we just earning and earning. So you can stake the coin to, just giving you an example and what you can do. So Lunar Cross, all right. So robotic tool for crypto trading. So this bot is one of the most effective AI systems that we use in scalping, strategic farming, right, and coin accumulation. So this helps us to set market on different exchange. This can cost you from $350 to $650 per annum. This is actually per annum. To know more, reach out to the fellow who sent you this. Of course, if you're in my contact list, you can contact me to get this link, and then you sign up, and then I put you through how to use it. Then we have Forest Robots. Now, we just partner with a new company, and now this company, we are going to be having an event which is coming up. Let me just look at it if I can find it. Okay, so if I can find this. Yeah, crypto is big. It's just that the price is still small. Okay, so we have an event about this. This is how it works. It just gives you access to a robot that you can connect with your broker. And we have seen that what you just need to pay one-time payment for this robot is $200, one in a lifetime. And then from that, you can connect with your broker. So I use Fusion because they recommended Fusion and Anzo Capital, right? Then you can use that. Okay, let's go here. Look at it. So we're having an event on this called Evergreen FFS, create your own economy using the Evergreen FFS trading bot. And that's going to be taking place at Swiss Spirit Hotel, which is Port Harcourt, on the 13th, Sunday, the 13th of November. So if you are within Port Harcourt and the Evergreen, I think it's going to be phenomenal. And then you don't want to miss it for anything. All right. So I'm just sharing with us. So it helps you. I think I've been able to see that, okay, it could do average of 20 to 30% monthly on your earnings. So that means, let's say if you slot in $1,000 into your broker account and connect to the bot, then of course there's sometimes you can have a drop down, and then you have, of course, but after the 1 month, you could see what you have been able to do, and then you pay 20% of that back to them. So let's say you have $1,000 and then they make $200 in a month or $300 in a month. You have to pay 20% of that $300 or that $200 back to them, and you continue using your boat. So it's hands-free. You do not struggle to go around and then trade by yourself. So it's hands-free. Next is the staking projects, DeFi games or investment platform. So first, the MIDAS I've just explained to you. I'll just explain some things here, be able to understand the dimension through which we have gone. And another thing is that you can still stake some other coins on the MIDAS platform. Amazing, okay? Then we have the Mavi Utron and farming. So we have Mavi, where you can build an affiliate system. Then we have the Utron blockchain, where you can do the farming and all of that. So the link is there. Then this project is an amazing system that enables participants to earn some 3% APR on the staking, for the first 1 year. And if you are to stake, you will receive 107% APR. So your lock coins are vested for 5 years period, releasing from 30% after the first year, and then at reduced sequential order till the last 10% at the 5th year. So we started with the project at 1 cent, but right now it's about 9 cents or thereabout. And then you can see now, one of the things is that it's a 3 multiple system in one. You have the Utron, the Mavi Utron, where you can build and lock your coin, all right? Just wish I can have access to it. So there will not be time because I want to make this video very short, not too long, all right? You have the Mavi, where you register through a link and you invest your money into the staking. Then you are getting staking reward for locking your coin, and then you're getting staking reward. And at the same time, you can build affiliate to make insane money building affiliates because you refer friends, and then you can make money. That's the second thing. Then the third thing, you can now do what we call farming. So by connecting your wallet to your MetaMask and then bridge the coin, then crazy things are happening in the crypto space. So bridging the coin into their blockchain, right? Then you can do farming, okay? So like I told friends, I experimented this $500 into the farming. That was, okay, I quickly need to change the wallet's address. So I experimented this, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so let's go. Excuse me. Possibly, yeah, it's not here. Okay, so I need to just quickly make it up for you. So, okay, so this is the wallet. I just want to show you, but I've done a lot of comprehensive video on how you can do your Utron staking. So you can see now what was invested was $500. That was August 4th, thereabouts. Today is 2nd. So August to September 4th, 4th of September to October, that is 2 months. All right. Then by 4th of November will be 3 months. And see what has accrued. From 500, it's up to 1,500 already. And then you are having even some accrual, which I'm going to compound later. And then we started from 300%, but 162% right now. So you can do farming, and is flexible. I can unstake my coin anytime I like, and so it's not locked. Now, so I'm just sharing this so that most of us who excuse me. Okay, you can see back end. of the Mavi. Just to show an example. Then we have e-gold mining. Now, please, a warning. If you are doing the e-gold mining, you can start from as low as $20, but I want to send a warning. You are doing e-gold mining, don't be in a haste to harvest your token. I have a reason for that. I have a strong reason for that. Maybe you should be able to learn the very big lessons from from Midas. I just showed you guys Midas now. You can see 5 years result of Midas with $500 and with auto compounding. So by next year, January, so it's going to be printing up about $280-something thousand. Am I sure? Yeah, that's about $6,999. That's about $7,000. By that next year, will have be $7,000. But let's pretend. So if that's the case, now this e-gold, I wouldn't want you guys to waste it. This should be less than a month. I can't remember what day this was activated. But this is an example of $500, but I'm not sure if it's up to a month, but if it's up to a month, what we're interested in is how to get more of the token and not even the dollar value. So if you're on e-gold, don't be in a haste to waste your e-gold token. Always learn how to maximize your e-gold token. Okay? So it's very, very important. So e-gold is a deflammatory token. And so it's very important for you to accumulate. If you want to make more money, share your link with people, and then you can make, think about how many percent. It's a 18% direct referral bonus or something. I know it's there. Is it 18%? Yeah, something. Yeah, 18% direct sales and cumulative again. Aliyat is another great project that we've started, and then it has done all time of 40-something cents about, but right now it's about 29 cents. And then we are accumulating it. Is Aliyat is by average of 7 to 20% of accumulated volume of the token, but of course it's block by block. So depending on how many block reward per month or per day, per week, you can have 10, you can have 2, 3, 4, 5 block reward per day, and some day can take 3 days or 4 days before you have a block reward. But fantastically, you can make a lot of accumulated Aliyah token by staking into the mining of Aliyah. Then we have Everlock staking. So Everlock staking is another crazy and massive, we call it a progressive staking project that pays you stakers from 7% in the first month and 18% in the last 12 months. That's at the end of 52 weeks, making about 150% APR. Minimum investment is $30. All right, you can actually do more, less than that, but if you want to build an affiliate on it, do minimum of $30. So nobody should give me complaint that I don't have enough money to start all of this project. Okay, so you can imagine $30 here. I'm not telling you to put $30 because if you know what you are doing, you should know you need to do more than $30. But imagine $30 here. Imagine Aliyah too, you can do $30, something like that, because 100 pieces of Aliyah is the minimum you need. So let's say $40. Now, because of fee, ego $20. Come on. So they are just making things easy for you here. Minimum is $100 on the Mavi staking back office, while the farming, I think, minimum, it can be any amount, maybe $20 to can be minimum on the farming, Midas too, and all of that. So you don't have any complaint to offer at all. Then Evolus, then you can build out a Drip network or Drip ecosystem. It's another crazy platform where you have 3 major stocks. We have the Drip file set where you can 365% a year, which is about 1% of the accumulated token a day, as it were. I think, let me check if I can see Drip here. Okay, so this example of Drip. Sorry, let me quickly change over here. So you can see example of Drip, just to show you very fast. All right, this example of Drip. So you can use it to, so that means you can do, all right, look at it. Drip network file sets a low risk, high reward contracts, operate similarly to high yield certificate of deposit, 1% daily return. But whatever you lock cannot be gotten. Look at example of this now. 582 that's locked here cannot be gotten, but I can be withdrawing the yield, which means 582. That means per day you can make 5.82. Now, cumulatively, the total you can max out is 2,125. And this coin had done all-time high of $170. But right now, it's about less than $5. That's about 4 point, right? That's about $4.5. So what are you talking about? So it's quite amazing that you can do. Then we have the drip garden, where you do LP of drip and then to do about 3 to 3.5% of what we call the harvested plant. So you learn to know more about this. They have the PG Bank. Then the next is CISU Exchange. CISU Exchange is super amazing, where you can do a lot of crazy and money-making projects from 4 to 17%, depending on the package. Minimum package is $50 and up to about $25,000. And then you can do seriously serious. Let me check if I quickly can see CISU Exchange. And then I think an advantage you have now, as at this time I'm doing this recording, or if you're watching me live, as at this time of doing this recording, if you're watching me live, you can claim free CISU token. There's a promo going on. You can claim free CISU token. So all you do is to take my link or take the link of your frameworks I've told you about CISU, and then the packages you can see $50, okay, which can yield you okay, 6%. But if you do 18 months, you can do 8% per month, then up to until about 17% if you're on $25,000. Can you imagine? The maximum you can do is about 400%. Maybe you are building the ecosystem. So what you do now, if you're on call with me, you can go to copy the contract address and go to Trust Wallet or MetaMask, paste it. The token is already listed on CoinMarketCap, on CoinGecko. So, but you can log in and claim the free CISU. And then you now use that same login detail and log into what we call S-Bone, all right, to claim S-Bone token, okay? So it's a super, super, super amazing project that we have been leveraging on. We started, so you can log into S-Bone with your same detail to claim some S-Bone token. All right, make sense? Then CISU, you can build network. Of course, I'm building a serious network on it, whereby you can be making some monthly income. Look at it. I was checking my monthly allowance, monthly wages. So like this, my account is worth about monthly wages of around, yeah, $1,250 every month for 8 months. So imagine if that's in Nigerian currency, that's about crazy amount of money. True. That's about 854 Naira multiplied by $1,250. All right, that gives about 1,067,000 Naira. That's crazy. Now, other things are there, and all. So I'm just sharing with you haphazardly. Now, the next is Next Gen. Next Gen help you say, this is a great FX and crypto trading ecosystem with world standard tools to trade like a pro, an institutional trader, and diversification into self-funding real estate. So these are the uniqueness of the platform. Number one, special tools for market direction on FX and crypto, Newton Index and Vinci Code. We have number two, 20 module free Forex and crypto trainings. Number three, saving strategy that accrue passive profit of over 20% APR, not compounding, but 150 to 300% for 20 months if compounded. So for second to none direct sales reward income system, and the Amgen token opportunity and wallet, and then live trading chat and follow up minimum academy and saving fee in 100 euros and all of that. So this is Next Gen. So you can see the crazy thing around Next Gen can help you. Then CryptoBox, CryptoBox actually a third-party platform, tells us they're trading and giving you average of 0.4 to 0.5% daily. So that should be average of 12 to 15% in the month, or 12 to 14% in a month. So if you have anything less than $1,000, from $100 less than 1,000, you're actually going to be on 0.4% daily. Then while 0.5% daily on $1,000 and above, which maximum you can do is $1,000. So if you put $1,000, you can do average of like $140. Am I correct? Something like that, monthly basis, and you can build an ecosystem affiliate commission system. Just hope I could see where I can log in here to see an example. I'm running very fast because time is not on my side. If I could just log in to see an example. Okay. Yeah, here we go. TTPY. Good. So this is CryptoBox. Okay, now if you look at the CryptoBox, all right. If you look at the CryptoBox, so you can make average of, can you see? Average of 0.4 to 0.5%. So I compound my own. I do not have time to do withdrawal. I only tested withdrawal once, and since then I've been compounding. That's why you see that I've had this, number $303 have been made so far, and then accrual from network team 202, 205. That's what gives total of $508 and all of that. That's CryptoBox. So you can build, and I bought their token at 8 cents MTDX. So I bought the token MTDX at about 8 cents. So MTDX right now, all right, MTDX right now is about 15 cents. So I bought it at 8 cents. So if you want to still buy, of course, why not? You are just starting, you're just coming in. And so anytime you wake up, it's actually your own good money. Streak is another platform that you can earn accrual based on the amount of money you invested. And then you can build, and then you can download their wallet and load some coins in there and get some accrual up to at least 8 to 30% APR of your coin stake in there. We have the AFFP. That's another project that you can make 300% of your total. Now, Plan B Express Training Institute. So we teach, we instruct, we guide. So these are the things we always tell people to leverage on. Private mentorship. This is for investors and crypto career builders, right? This gives you access to crypto research method, low gems, and all of that. And it costs you only $5,000 one-off payment. And why be with me? Premium, this is strictly for those who must have attended our crypto academy or who have independently learned more about crypto and understand how to navigate exchange on the nav. Then it costs you $1,500 yearly, but of course you have access to wonderful things and portfolio management. We have robotic and hybrid swing trader cycle. This costs $500 for 6 months mentorship, but you have 3 days marathon training on market structure and how to swing trading effectively. Student Flexi is similar to this, but just a lower version of the trading cycle. Now have low gem research. This costs you $750 per year. AI robot training is $750 one-off. Then we have tokenized stocks, and that's going to help you too. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is our address in Port Harcourt, Chitima Plaza, number 49, Odaba Road, opposite Mimi Tasty Fish, close to Rumo Mastery Runabout, Port Harcourt. And then you're going to enjoy it. So you can visit our website, www.planbexpress, and you can chat with our official number, and then Plan B Express, together we rise. So what we do is to hold you by your hands and show you how to profit from the crypto space. Thank you very much. My time is up, and I know definitely if you really pay up attention, it ought to have been a value-added information bank for you. So if you are on my Telegram channel, if you are my friend on YouTube, anywhere you are, you're connected on our forum, then it is very easy for you to just chat up with me on my phone number +234 80 36 924588, right? Ishola, okay, I will have sent you, but I was just like busy in the office and quickly want to do this update as much as possible. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's important you just pay up attention. Crypto is bigger than what you think. It's a place where the passive make money at the expense of the activities of the active, but it's way, way beyond what you think. So thank you very much. My name is Midai Feljimo. That's the team lead of Plan B Express. Plan B Express, together we rise. Bye-bye.